So cute house. There's train. There's another train. Look at this house. It looks like a gingerbread house. Funny. Okay. So.
But at the same time, I'm a bit cold. It's
Why?
crazy, right? It's half.
Half. I'm cold, I'm hot, I'm cold and hot. The weather here is a cold, hot, cold. We go back to Geneva, we have a cold.
Where we have totally.
Totally the house is here. Oh, look at that house. Yes, it is good, but it's good to try, but it's not bad for OC. Oh, look at the houses here. Colmar. I need my magnet. I'm gonna buy magnet. Dito tayo sa cathedral nila. Wow. Christmas! Look at that!
Oh, really, right?
Sa Cathedral of Colmar. Grabe. Daming katedral dito. Daming simbahan. Tingnan nyo dahil.
It's nice with the trees.
Let's visit the small Vinici. Ang daming tourist dito. Para siyang open air museum. Pero hindi. Ano lang talaga yung mga bahay-bahay nila. Hindi nila binago. Old style lang. Renovate lang pa konti. Pag konting sira.
Kann man nochmal in dieses kleine. Ja, wieder. Ja, aber erstmal
Look at that. Oh, the house. Look at this gingerbread house. Yung mga bahay dito. Look at this one. So beautiful. Tingnan nyo yung mga may mga isda.
They are fighting to go in.
They do exercise. No, this cute.
Crazy, right?
Grabe yung bahay dito, ang gaganda. Parang nasa parang ka nasa labas, museum, air museum, outside museum. Oh, look at that. Look at this house. Tingnan nyo naman tong bahay na to. Oh, grabe yung Dito na tayo sa small village of Colmar. Ah! It's the Alsace. It's a Alsace beauty queen. Ah, it's so cute. Alsace beauty queen. Percent of Alsace. The Miss Beauty Queen of Alsace.
Look at.
It's here.
I think she's from Colmar because they show Colmar.
Little Vinici.
If you want.
Okay. Parang poster to dito. Oh. Look. Parang poster ang mga bahay-bahay. The small, may maliit na daanan dito. Maliit na daanan. Oh. Kata. Because of the view of this house, the houses.
Look this one.
And look at the swan. It's the star of the day.
And the star, everybody photographing. I'm the real Miss Alsace. I'm the real Miss Alsace. Wait. Yung maglalambing for.
Okay, nabisita na natin. Dumana tayo sa Bridge of St. Peter, Petit Vinici. Ngayon, kailangan natin mag-CR. Ito tayo, mag-ikot-ikot tayo ditong area. Hindi pa natin ito nabisita, itong area na to. So, let's go.
Regarde ça, ma femme. Oh là là. Oh, regarde ça. It's a museum in this city.
Ouais.
Oh là là.
The small train is here. She's gonna go around to the center of Colmar. So, as is finished visiting, we're just walking to the parking. Thank you, Colmar. Thank you. It's a beautiful weather.